Collectability and restoration. Oval window Beetles, built between 1953 and 1957, are highly coveted by collectors from all over the globe. Most knowledgeable enthusiasts consider oval windows, especially those equipped with the huge sliding canvas sunroof, commonly called Ragtop, to be the most desirable Beetles ever built. 57 Beetles were a significant evolution of the original design. It featured a larger engine, improved suspension, and a more comfortable interior. This made it even more popular with drivers and cemented its place as an automotive icon. Powertrain. Under the hood of this classic car was a simple yet powerful engine that defined the driving experience for millions of people. The engine of the 1957 VW Beetle was an air-cooled, flat-four design that produced an impressive 40 horsepower, up from 36 horsepower in previous years. Despite its modest output, the engine was smooth, reliable, and surprisingly efficient, making it the perfect choice for a car that was designed to be practical and affordable. One of the key advantages of the 1957 VW Beetle's design was its rear-mounted engine, which was coupled with a transaxle that combined the transmission and differential into one compact unit. This unique design allowed for improved weight distribution and better handling, making the car a joy to drive. Impact on the automotive industry. The 1957 Volkswagen Beetle was more than just a car, it was a revolution in the automotive industry. In 1949, the VW Beetle was first imported to the United States, where it quickly gained popularity for its unique design, affordable price, and reliable performance. The VW Beetle was one of the first cars to be mass-produced, making it accessible to millions of people. Its popularity spread around the world. It had a significant impact on the automobile industry, challenging the traditional ideas of what a car should look and feel like.